So it is not as if say and then what between the followers. He never said anywhere no was MPP. Not in private, not in public. And Sabi, Canada, Japan, MPP there. You can't separate the two. And how can it be share or party in near politics? That Canada cannot do at the period of the politics without even uttering a word. It's impossible. So what he showed, what he did in Kumasi, and ask yourself why he showed up in Kumasi. It will tell you the kind of announcement he's doing. And you know, maybe I'm not disappointed. I know several of our followers. Miankasa, I've had a share of the share of it, the backlash. You know, because Kaya, regional reconciliation, and in line with Kennedy's understanding, you call reconciliation, you call party nabo. I know that some kitwa, but the Kennedy na to. I put you on the yeah, Kennedy followers. The man is still a party person. Most important, we are all MPP people, and we have chosen a leader, not the one we opted for, but it's the party's decision.
Okay.
That is what politics is about. Campaign. At the end of the day, the party made mistakes. Some of us were sidelined. We have protested enough for the party to know that there's the need to move on with the united front. Kennedy Nankata is not to. We reckon in the followers were intimidated. I'm sure that the party will take a lesson. Because background matter, we need to be one. Otherwise, it will be difficult. And that is what we have to do as a party. I Kennedy Akasa, when it does was a Kennedy and Amawa to a party in a long way. Don't be winning a Abano.
Oh, okay. Okay. Medasiano pay so when you're Brenny Akasa. Mame Emma MC Akwaba. Now I want to say. Maybe I will call there. Yes, so yet, Yamia be a pronoun my NTP.
I know Padre not bright in Kutu Jenia.
I'm bright, because I'm a see a man of you know. I don't not see I said to go to Jenia. MC Maxwell for Boakye has Ansona, former MC Zuba Yeshan and him. Maxwell. Politics so far. Kasane Kosoniade. Honorable Collins. Adomako Waha. All this is here Nigeria Modi war Ashanti region, all the regions, no. But we are hope be. But what you go for so from no Kasana Koye say. I want to what is the hope?
Well, Mama now I say na mencha etie for ne ahefo. Na menka se. Oman obi en ho no a NPP ni bi en ho no ba betena radio so. Aka kire wo se ahokyere ni wo man ni mu. What did they make say? Because a individual thing. Ebi a baby a wote na so ho nkire o. But obi nso ho kire no. Yen ye the NDC for year no 2016 ni 2015 no. Ahokyere wo man ni mu ano omo etwaboye no.
Ho twabomo.
Okay, dey see Urefi.
Sir.
Almost we should tighten our belts, but no maybe omo there. Oh, said the tell. And ahokyere wo man ni mu. But penifo ka asem bi asem fa to ho nti no. Prison ni renya den. Enho. Ahokyere e wo man ni mu no nyina no. Ghana for dodo na hu ni se NPP ni amanyoku a yede amamu ni hye yensa ebetimi oman ni betimi adie
Ghana for be ya
se Ghana for dodo na yes
ehunu se
NPP ni amanyoku a edi oman nanimu a enioma be yeden ebeyeye oman sabi impreduason oni me be ya adwene se oman ni yede hye yensa no na enioma mu nyamre ana meboa oman meboa yede hye yensa na enioma mu nyamre na enioma mu eden eni ode oman ni maaye ya nye se binumu dia sabre no crisis bi ama ahokyere bi ama ohun se de tie no enso e ma otam a wasi we matwam sa o twam no ahohiahia be na nipa bekom se ahokyere be na beba yeso se yawdie be na beba yeso omfa ho kra watwam owia no aka cho so no ye dwamfunu enano a owura Mahmoud Bawumia esi fomi edin Kenya asronko abampa in fact ade abaako enwo mu ne se flag bearer na mu ana presidential candidate na mu esi form house to house one on one se we party ni ba now yen no ma ye wo form no ye to hono ma den no yen adwuma ne sen ko yen adwuma no wa sha ase ye no ana campaign no so no emfa ho ne oni oma pa wa ye nyina wantimi antom a ebebu aka asim Omanhene wati ase de bia me kan me say by every measure ye de besusu oman bia no NPP ye kon kan sen NDC susu dua bia de besusu sector bia ye wo yanim sen wo
susu dua bia
ntina me say mfato ho ntino
agric education health every aspect
waka agric President Mahama kan sen bi na anu ye say o say kan say one village one dam oba yame yadum obetwam meboa o say sa spending no ana o kan say so betimi aboa me
dacho wa kan wa say
o say one dam no producers credit ascend me
and to the
one village one dam obetwam but the make kan kwesi say in NDC's manifesto 2008 ade e do mo ba power ni omo mention about dams so omo be see dam na omo be constructed dams na baby a dam kro mu ntimi nye no na omo be drill boreholes e wo farms amagana fo akuafo enya bi dia ye farm what you say oman ye to abama omo wie ye no in omo 8 years ni nyina no unim se dams no de ye to no omo friend dag out no in their last budget our presented in the parliament 2016 budget no omo mention dodo omo timi aye omo mention say omo say Mr. Speaker where page 80 we say take budget last budget Mr. Speaker Ghana Irrigation Development Authority in collaboration with the Ghana Social Opportunity Project completed the construction and rehabilitation of 66 dams and dugouts for crop production blah 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 and livestock 8 years ni nyina
to mo dams
and the dugouts according to them when you cramp on the omo construct 66 ni nyina one constructed from the scratch o ebi wo kra na wo hoda than omo rehabilitate and the dugouts no so am say the any dugouts and your dams let's take it say your dugouts say the omo the omo capture no ha no you are building over 500 of the dams no one village one dam you are constructing
but not operational
operational any dey here
operational say akuafo to me dey hear adwuma bebre mo ye no are
no wait
I explain to me tina me be asem
there was raining seasons all right and there was dry season that gout no enye 12 months yini nyina say na be wet land no
but the dams
it extends the wet season
the dams are supposed to
wait
all year round
me say we dams no we get that kind of dam ni bi na ye build there we you smaller say unim enough per year say dey minim ho na you will see sad dams we say ni say ensuo to aba bi ensuo ne taiba no e ba betem enti epe aba no ana dry season aba no omo ye atosode e bi life span ye 3 months 4 months livestock ni ade no omo nyina benya access to nsuo no okay and sad dams when you na function Omai, can anybody tell me say between NPP and NDC there were 66 which is NDC and NPP are over 500 of such dams no ahochira wo man no men kasa ahochira ni wo man no Omai yemi enu ha na abo no homoden pa omo de me pa kire no
okay
ahochira wo man no eye no kre de bia ya kan nursing training allowance eka teacher training allowance asa ahochire ba ya no ebribi wo mo se nko man this aban we say kan say ka ya twa nursing training allowance ni teacher training allowance man ka ya bra covid yi ni tina na nke de no aye excuse me boa but ye hunu say no upon ahokyere ni nyina no sabi allowance kakra na ekwa money ye wo faase ho no eba etimi so bibi so ena no awuraba ya ana ye no akuma ye obusa question bi wo eye tachimani what asama o kan ye na wo say sa allowance no enu bi ena omumu bi di tua wo school fees Omanhene wo say de atie no
that's right
eti emfa ho ne ahokyere aye nyina yesu no sane maame wo ho sane papa wo ho ono ankasa hu ni se nya allowance ya nka ni omam be den pa do enya Ghana fo nyina na eji allowance ne de na enso Ghana fo ma ene wo nursing training e wo teacher training no ana meboa
you correct
ade ba akwa mo sa NDC for argument ne say okwa kan allowance o mo sa aka bi o ne say allowance no because no mpezo mu yi the quota system free honum eti na omo de allowance ne buy o ma uni ma asresem captured in omo budget we say no asresem ne say 2015-2016 year no training colleges out of the 380 something students no uni increment of 1 year no nipa 1000 pen e beka
quota system
yes omo yi allowance free nipa 1000 pen e beka is in their own budget 1,000 pe o ene be kan ho Omanhene what you say so that argument
if that is the case then it defeats the quota system
precisely because
they should have increased it
exactly
but another breadth of their explanation they say they moved the diploma to tertiary it became a tertiary institution and because of that technical universities, University of Ghana, University Kwame Nkrumah Yaponi, they were taking loans. And if you have come at par, send there was a tertiary student, go for loan. I move from Sonny Day.
My second year in university for allowance and can we uniska now in Chemu yet 10. What you say? The bottom line is say if you kwa penyin penso ye ma ene ye wo faase ne yenuano ma e wo nursing training no omoji allowance what you say a grant enye loan bosia ene sika amde ma wa wuntua Omanhene ye pe sanye pe eti ade na ba kire nsemu tente the bottom line is the president Mahama se watwam ontua oso wo yodwamfunu de mu beye bia watwam
na nti wo ka se watwam a se watwam
no can then or say omo ye no marry the tertiary in the year then tertiary in the year then my tertiary no mu wi a omo nya nurse for
tertiary nurse sorry
me read that very portion no or say Mr. Speaker the student loan scheme was expanded to cover the colleges of education. As a result, a total of 23,298 students benefited. Okay, no, we're quite different. But her loan scheme, no crown, I can't was no good. Mamma can was some beka or more increment. No loan scheme, no out of student population of 319,659. No, who ni more benefit?
23,000.
Less than 10%. Less than 10% the team edgy loan nibi. But ode alawane ma so obi unyi obi enfri mebo obi age. Na make can was say omo propaganda ba kunsu nie. The total student enrollment increased from 318,607 to 319,659. So that argument no more no say because of the quota system no omo nyimfro. But the point I'm making is aban we ya aban yeah no in terms of remember say ya huchira ye wo mu nyina no still na ya money e won fast no you say omo deserve aye allowance ye dem mom. The other one e free SHS. Okwaka omo so omo ye progressively free. But in their own manifesto in their own budget omo agitu mu say free SHS no a subsidy and omo de man omo ya can so ye provide subsidy aye den yes so was in free and it is provided here in omo budget the last budget of the core parliament omo state baby has no more free SHS. In fact, progressively,
well, they were giving 49 CDs. I think was it 49 CDs.
And you ma omu free honum sabre no. Omo say omo absorb examination fee.
Yeah.
Entertainment, library, SLC and sports dues. culture, science development.
I think he added up to about 49 cedis per student.
And no one will free honum. And don't just say you're free. And crown no mugu to your fees. And I'm a boy. This is in their own budget. But the American question say, a buy way upon your huching in ano. You name say Ghana ni Bian and the backward secondary school. And this is one pass and they are used to say huching away your sweet. And then they are mine. Uko to ya akwada school fees for secondary school in Kiebegina him. Samrenka maame no ne ya papa no abobosi atwakoro yi hu ahia. Samrenka mobro wa bia sabi ni maame ni bi ni papa ni bi. Ka ebeka so adwoa me yemfa nkoto adwuma mansa akire. Wati ase ya hwede ebeye. Enka maame wo ho anka mi ko school no. Enka papa wo ho anka mi ko school. Me wo fati ase anka mi ko school no. Sani o mani nyina prepare free wonom. Aban we say ya ma emabunu anidaso. Aban we ya ma mabunu rehemu. Ti na de bia meka se Ghana for eya no kre. Me gina hanom na meka se ahokire eni wo man yi mu a na mabre nyame. Ahokire wo man ni mu pa. Ahokire e wo man ni mu pa. Nanso
na de ono so ka se mo na man toto ne ma yi na ma ahokire na ba no yi na no say.
Ahokire dependent angle kra wo hwe free.
In totality, the economy, I want to say in terms of say Sikasema Kwachi, unemployment rate is 15%, 14.5. Any Emebrunya Jumanye, Sikano, Numa and Crofo, Numa, which I say, Muntimi, and Kofania Mawabuche Meton, or more houses here the buy in Yesikanto, purchasing power is dwindling. Cost of living high, standard of living going low. And only idea almost so can once. How do you respond to that? Who you man say?
In terms of inflation and urban imported inflation.
Explain.
And then they say, well, my NDC, we say, you can't bro for back. Ghana economy no. You an aspect of it. You bet me they play politics. And you want fan baby or honoma who they play politics. And people near this they play politics. Well, on my own time I watch here about me. So magazine ya de pa. Ba on me ya adwene se yenye bi wa ha. Me ba cho ohun Dell machine yesi hey. Once so am ha yenye bi wa ha. Ni nyina e krefra ma no ne. It is Ukraine and Russia and tokwa no. And COVID sa disruption na de buy no. Emma enioma bo kokọ soro wa amanone eti watch ananka ebia mefa no $1 ewa abrochire no ene mekọ na ye $2 a ono akwafa ba no ye economic being o mete so wo Ghana ha eti bo na ekọ soro wo ho no wo de beka ho even ship kura mpo a ede nioma eba any plane fares ni ade nyina akọ soro ana meboa eti sa nioma ni nyina aka ho na ma all of a sudden inflation kokodu 54%. Gradually abai ne toto nioma no kakran ni nyina yeden aba bedu say I'm sure 23.5%. Yes, still now you say ebesan aba fom bia ka ho the second quarter of this the second half of this year no say first half na ye twa awie the second half ni nkwa awie no you say ebesan aba fom ama the rate at which nioma ekọ soro no ebe yeden ebesusu ye ka enwuma no kre mekai NDC in 2008 in their own budget, in their own manifesto. Omo kan say bi kire ye. Omo say omo amamuo no omo be center no, omo be no youth centered. And maburu ne be the focus. Page 1 of their manifesto, the last paragraph, and omo kan say asem no, ba me ebrentimi nkoti. Ohwe bio wa, omo sa kan bio say omo be ma every able-bodied Ghanaian adwuma aye. So we are Ghana ni nko na wo pa adwuma just say bia wa adwuma say wo pa adwuma wo ba mu adwuma ye sabre na president kofo ahyehye nioma ye kama NDC for ka kire say ahokire wo ma te say bre ya nioma esise ya ye o ya de mamu ni ma wo no so wotwe bre ye nwa Omanhene anamo be na NDC 2 ye wo de ma mabu no adwuma ka kire me NDC antu anamo papa bia. But under MPP.
Oh, but they created less debt.
Oh my. Less what?
Less debt.
Less who? Oh my.
No, less debt.
Less debt on a DMU.
Zuba Bob.
Yes. But this will be yes. No.
Mahama at the yes by.
Yes, no, there.
Look at youth youth entrepreneurial supporters.
But you go here. But you make up.
Zuba Brabach Coco. Me could be bad. What over to the Badua Kagumana.
The American say revival of Anglo good mining. A new Madodua at Yaba. Where you die, yes, Ghana Publishing Company, a buy we are reviving. A State Housing Corporation, you are reviving. A state transport. One district, one factory. A automobile companies are a buy
assembling plant.
Yes, Nina creating human. Even under one district, one factory, President Mahama saying as a new policies are about Obe Pianing in our to Aguno. I mean, so about Ade on.
Okay. Too. Manchester man penny your mama
production team because me tea on holidays here.
Also obey one this one factory free.
Say finance say non-productive policies like one village, one dam, no one district, one factory. No, man.
Very good. Na so be a factory na here Juma. How do you take it off?
No. Say aban we di ahodi ashim. Aso wo masene. Under this government, okay, can you ma something I'm doing say you ban.
Okay.
Ya timi aboa ama ya companies 321 companies any one more about we yetimi aboa ma ma sori agina ho no ma afanyuma 321 new and out of the 321 no emu 169 we are adwuma sesi emu 211 fresh companies. New companies in Kwa.
Buying a so much.
Yes. Obi wo no ma na ye company na wo ho dada ba na etonku. Ebi wo ho no ma na wo ho ba na agu. Ene ya be revive no. Ebi wo ho so a fresh kra na fe na started from the scratch. It what aban ne ye ne say ye hwe e technical support. Na ya ma sika ye de be wura adwuma no mu a ehun si hu ne ye kitwa bi. Omanhene what you say? When in your ma was aban ne ye. De bia Yesu say dwuma ni oman ni mu no. So when timi amie manufacturing companies are Omanhene begu. Ebegu tie say ne obi ama ne neoma so ana okọ China na akọ kraba. Wo kraba no. Na wo create employment wo China. Wo create employment wo Dubai ni UK. Na ya mabu na wo hanso obo asasa. Adan na ye ntimi nko nkyire ya neoma ni bi nso ngu nkonkom. Yemfa bi mu manufacture neoma ni bi and create employment wa ha ema ya mabu no. We need the way to go. Under NDC factories do say no mutimi bo am ye create apart from the sugar factory. What you say? Men ka say under NDC factory bia no individual bia am ye factory bia o. But ade emu dia he na aban na aboa ma yetimi ye. Eso asene mi yetimi ye. Oyonko aboa ma 321 factories. Ena yaye ana yeguso ye. Na wo se wo ba, we just so ba be shemu kena, say the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so wo ba industrialization no oba beto aso no. When him say in their own manifesto omo bibia do oman termine one district one factory there, but any one district one factory say omo better district industrialization committee no ma require e be fa so e be factories ni ande omo wi ni wi ya no so otwenbre yenwa de de Ghana for ye ba yen adie bia ye kan ye bia no ye tu ho anamo ti na be ka say between NPP ni NDC and that so ye den e wo NPP mu esen NDC Omanhene what you say and that so e wo NPP mu esen NDC anda omo se yanya den ye ma mabunu nkotwetwa nwura no omo nkoso anwea no sabi oba no anka abeka sa asem na kire no oyonko awie university o pa adwuma ye sabi wonya asem de bia akra nka nkire na pa rechichisem ka kire no NPP ya anya sa ye ba ye na ye fa 100,000 NABCO graduates kakran majority of them system now absorb wo mo ebi wo so omu nyanya ba bia minim say ebi krampa by now omu so kra nya private sector ni
ayi omu sika balance ma omu
meti say ohini ni kan de bia amne ne ya adwene I'm sure
untia omu sika
asama wo kan no so na ban ebetu hu anamo Omanhene what you say but the point I'm making is aban we say ya aban a ani daso ye den ewom ya aban a ani daso wom a Ghana for eni etu anamo ye den eyeye eti ye ka ahokyere no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia can be bibio about mining. Also ye can your my dear ahokyere abre ye nyina ne fa kese na so nyina dollar no so nim za dollar na ma ahokyere abapa obi beka so na who cause am why na manage dollar no dollar na manage but who need absolute control so we your mind be to say Ghana. Who need absolute control?
Then why were you talking about it? Attacking the former president of making the dollar loose.
Also, in America, say
control, but you were chastising him.
Utie me earlier. Me say NPP, any NDC, yemfanye ye ho. Unse me kan ho asem ansana. Say ensem bi wo ho no ma ye beka thinking say ebia edayabam. But I didn't hear demand and supply issue. Omanhene what you say? My mema ayiba akunsisi here. Under NDC in their manifesto. Omu make reference to was it the US economic recovery and appreciation of the dollar coupled with pressure on our foreign exchange reserve from declining commodity prices continue to weaken the cedi and blah 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 blah. Or make reference to US dollar na sabre na ayo so strong. MSCD no
and the same is happening now today
because the US dollar no aye strong say all other major currencies in depreciating.
They said it, you did not take it.
Yes. And
I'm
saying no one SAC now.
Until now almost so kind now more can different thing.
Or the emphasis of and you know what? Even the dollar as we speak, Omanhene sabim preduasa dwade bia of $6 e de kwakra nioma ne yen ayeto bia no obi am na koma mra fom nye ne boni mu but sabio emfato ho ayeto da eba eboa what you say dollar ne ba bia ne nam 15 cedis no enye ya hohoa
15.4
50 na aba a drop it. Who's a 15.9 15.8 but once a stabilizer air drop it ba sa 15.4 no enye ya hohoa enye ya nika kra what you say but omo say yampam ye na yamfa wo omo mra no at least upon your ma aboye nyina na bi amo NDC o ene wo koto watch wo hia more dollars esen kane no wo koto fuel wo hia more dollars omo ekra fridge ba wo hia more dollars omo edi TV ba omo edi wig eba omo edi shoes ba omo de shirt Ghana cars bibia wo hia more dollars na ade aba meboa eti say dollar na aye strong no eba enioma ekutia ye na ade ba ko American from a layman's point of view kra no make us a dollar ba bia du na nya anika enya hoho a ye mfa hoho ye ho but between NPP and NDC yen ya hwe ase mu kra na ye dollar situation ye sin NDC
how
mo o say how President Kufuor dollar no 121 meboa NDC the Bohum president omukọ na ye 4.3 meboa omukọ na 4.3 omu de Bohum pre 9 na coins say egu akiri see ebetimi ni NDC performance no in terms of managing the dollar na ye pa multiply omu 4.3 no so by 4 we say by now your dollar no over 17 cedis and no need justification
maybe yeah me wo ho no mo me say 2016 because for $1 me cost sign 4.3 and because it's $1 15.4 o say MPP4 ya de mo yense mai isa meba because what they to ye ne NDC ho de a omo de bo home pre 9 ye just ye de bo home pre 9 de o dwoma a wo ko fa ne meba me say asema wo kan no saa na me kan no say o say MPP Kufuor kono na ye 1.1 Joma ma free so no is excellent the former president na 4.3 Joma de bo home pre 9 mo ba to no 4.3 no say o 15 a mo de abo home premier sa ana be premier sa so mo de bo home pre 9 a mo ne number 20 Yes, a 4 by and number 17. And say 15 the amayade. And yes, I know.
Yes, I make.
Now all can say.
All can say I say me argument. Me say. Obia okofa nioma wo de dollar na ekobia na mana asema me beka obia ni kan mana koma mra from na nya ne boni mu ana me sa ka bi o say omo say yampamo NPP mfiri honom no omo mra because say omo na dollar no nko mo betimi manage ni ye
omo dollar situation was worse.
That is the point I'm making. Eti o kan say me say yamo yensem maya ade asi no enya hoho a nya botre
o ye mfato ho.
Yes.
And I watch say NDC for no, they have no moral right to be talking about dollar increment because their time they could not manage the dollar well, and they even made it worse. Momo ba, though it is worse, as compared to NDC, you are doing better.
I'm not saying we are doing better, but I'm saying, Tio, me can say we are doing better. They are not just say why. My argument to Nyanti,
but Momo the idea,
I'm referring strictly not to business people. But to NDC,
the bottom line is the NDC is not. The NDC does not go and crack goose. It is the businessman.
The
NDC is complaining on the basis of politics. Must say dollar to have a political gain. But the me kokra niema dollar na me de kofano. Me una money. When you tell me say NDC was worse, you can't nuntuma. Enya na miti.
Me say yen yahwe asiye mumpo no. You better than NDC.
Thank you. Mama Zuba kwaba. Zuba.
Yeah.
Empom to say.
Yes, I do mo ye.
Mama ntiwa no pay. Yeah, brantem. And now but that's not utie me.
Me here more than 10 minutes.
Okay, mama ntiwa. Mama ntiwa.
I'm saying papa yeti.
Asempa yeti.
I am in time case.
Mama ntiwa.
Akrebia. MPP fui. I no mo share before.
Before she before.
Assembly how mo can say be prepared. I am visa Ghana for Jimmy. Say who mo say Ghana for Jimmy. Assembly how ko tana radio so kranka. Cause me say ya dwen nya adwuma. Ya nko school mo nko na mo ni moment mo kan to make calculation. What I say? Sa situation e wo mi. Me ma no ma mienu. I say MPP for the no. Extremely worse. Enye worse o. Extreme kanka. One. Time I buy Euro bonds starting from President Kufuor.
Yes, true.
Time I John Mama buy no. Na sika bia ni achi. Aye di kotua yaka.
Euro bonds.
Eti no see esa ba besia kotua ka pesika. SFC and debt. Ena that situation no a couple of other factors. Boa my CD no depreciation e could be bedroom. In your case, this year dollar you mean Fabia this year you kwa every 11 I could do echo 16 between March and June every 11 echo 16 I depreciated this year over 25%. What I say? Okay. I depreciated over 25%. Now this period won't service any external debt.
Chemu ye se ontia abrochire ka ontia
ka ye di amanfo ontia internal debt e ka ye di Ghana for nso ontia it is a pressure na enka ontia waka which is the normal thing to say when your CD and its relationship with other major currencies is getting out of hand and you're servicing debt coupled with demand. This is basic economics, demand and supply. What I say, dollar do a war. How this CD you and if it is in shortage, the price will rise. And then my money short a man shortage ibano. Me and we free. Utia ka udia manonia. What the dollar ne kwakutia? It had the pressure ba. It just a honu police some sort of demand. What the car will chrome her. Bonds are what ewa hanu. If you are out on in CD equivalent, if you do some in dollars, it is a wood here no. Nasa no so kwa. At the pressure, Baba. Say, I can't do that. You are the 4D. It means that the sources of demand, me know few. When you're not all the factors, economics was there, all factors remain constant. What does it? If you just out there, the one poke. You're to 2
Are you saying, say, Uncle Neno, if NPP were doing debt service now, it could have been worse? How do you?
Because you see, yengotia yaka ye di amanone. It is our demand never on a free ho. It is a CIA Kotia can you do system provide. Imagine a situation whereby $100 Kwakutia Yaka Yedia. Maybe another demand is about a card you want. Give it a DJ. Would you wow to call it in Zema? Yet give it a DJ. And worst of all, more candidate no ba and have it on video. So for bizarre say. Na me who PhD here what say ba obi akwada. Ya bizarre question. Ya more questioner. Ya who question me.
Why na bo?
Ba me.
What bon say?
Obi okuta PhD.
Don't talk like that. Don't.
Ne ngoma sua no me who so fa so. Ya who question. Who go kejetia no ase me go kejetia. Me wa. Ya who question. Who go kejetia. Me wa. Ya who pon a obe question. Me ko fie. Nye be abekọ no. Ya wo bekọ hen. Oh, e na no. Na me duru bantama. Na bantama fo kwa bi sa say wo bekọ hen. Me ko duru amokom. Na amokom fo say amokom fo say wo bekọ hen. Di amokom fo ka ne bantama fo. Wo ne ye bi sa say.
Kwase be ne busa no.
So for bi o mbe sia no. So for ni bi sa ne say efi ne. E ko ka December na have it on video. E there na wo be ya. Because they say I would executive power. Who team kojina baby ma order ni atwa nurse for ka. What you say? Who team say yama dialysis for health insurance. Ya fam quarter up to December. Na ye ji. E cha say who to me ye dey bibi ma economy ni ye. No so fini business dey fin ko ka December yi. E dey na oba ya ye benya didi o mu say dey aman no mo ba. Na me call Canada. Me call Canada na Canada fo nyina ko asa ho kira ba. O call London so a ahochaba so for bizarre dey ko so e Canada ne London o se dey na wo ye fees abeko ka December dey Canada see what they find me
tanu din na wa bon ko
dey bisa Ghana so say me call Canada ya se dey na wo ye what are you going to do between now and December? What has it got to do with what is happening
for us to give that
for us to have some little reprieve but out of the hardship that we experience in excruciating poverty among the Ghana for akokuru mu no che dey wo ye na dey koso Canada dey for Ghana ni no ho be because Ghana for no so one problem. If they are talking about it, I know your own problem. So call on the NASA, say prices of goods the cost a own problem. I've heard about Athens, Greece, people complain about a own problem. They are asking their politicians to solve the problem. So you have executive power, new opposition leader, and then out there, my say what you don't know what you're talking about. Basic question, simple question. My answer. There now here, the man ended up by not giving any solution to the problems that we have. What's the point I'm saying? I'm going to put this in some video. No. What's the point I'm saying? So if this is the kind of person, you be saying a simple question. And then away I was say Canada ko ya honchaba. Nepa we wo se onu beti manage CD asen ye. We ya dey manage CD. Bibia ye basa. E kwam ha ya woni mo omo. He. Last 2 weeks me call o papa Mr. Kwabena Kese ni bank o Bantama. Yaw. I have never been sad in my life for the banking sector on that day. Me come papa daka. Nipa 4. Banking hall. Nipa 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It was around 11 a.m. It was around 11 a.m. They call multi-credit. Nipa 4. And multi-credit is not minimum. Ubakono. But my race course for no matter what boss, no why you ma. It is if and 3 weeks ago, that was in May. Nasa ukoro 11 and nipa 4 ne wo ha. Me madam would be you has Makomo Adebo multi credit. I'm not happy about it. And no catch him says, banking sector no more here, clean up no more in Basano. I affected especially savings and loans for now. Papa, because the most credible savings and loans are not ready for no in him say first allied. And Takoba say first allied ye na basa ye no amama for lose hope in the savings and loans. And look at the number of people savings and loans for no small scale banking sectors no look at lending rate. Me take Akuma for your program. There's somebody from a commercial bank, mainstream commercial bank. No, I feel once in the banking sector na guna muka munka wansem no there. What I say, and I brought it aside because me the mo my di mo na mo te bank when you na mo but until I went to see what was happening, maybe I'm making. I didn't know that the thing was that bad. A man in my and Michael banks no.
Omunya loans.
Omuna man je 100 million, the 200 million. What any? Omuna de boko. One about tomatoes or man medium. Okubeko kunya loan bank.
Oh yeah, 1,005.
Oh yeah, 2,000. And the sound of the queen. Moguno because omomuton sika. Sika ba ho no no me bi ma manfo. Sika imba. Last year, almost all banks in Ghana posted negative credit. Negative profit. I'm a Bank of Ghana no cry ampono. Egu. Omo de kasa. A situation amu de aba be ruamuni. Yaw. Omo so nyame.
Aw.
MP before. So omo so nyame an ka omo nya ko anaya omo de aduro. Because agugudu aya omo tibi nya. Ebetra pa kasa che.
Why would I do?
MP before ebi so omo de aduro.
How?
Because your my corona, I always said to be yak, go back to radio, TV, so yeah, saying before, and again this is one hour, Cadola, and I just am, I am to be almost I'm sick of it. Yeah, we are just a omuniadu.
I don't go do
when the kind I'm some come to go in the Benin. When the kind I want to mean, I don't we. So, what Barbara? Look at the Bibini black man. Musi mahama time enye ne workers 530 mu amudi ye aka 35 and then when one manufacturing sector who sia na wonzu and all of them are MPP businessmen kwadum obi ne store 4 masi on the zero jikusi aton mo bonu kojo oto ko sia ne just about this kabawo
obe free
oh ya the man o wi anu akakoton
shops 4
atoni nyina mu me man se na man kusua wakonta Emmanuel dia obokono Thursday bia no farm no ogiko anenya se oba o tueska o
obe free no akoton
obaji kusua no koton oba the following Thursday na no de di okoton na ba mama de fo okroma nyina ye hiafo o ti ase eti omo koto aba ma MPP no we are say munyina me yepe me bra bidu kala nyame fa na krensi when ko zajima ananka ko hima aba no agozi shawa we college otwi o sha mo be kofi o me kofi za na kofi o mba first one o motete na ni kokore ka be kogu wa ave ko to the or they ticket able to order back me tell a course was for class so munya munya say atu this one kasa to this one kasa we pe and that is what the people mom koto abana mo babu no that is ya utidi MPP ni NDC munya mo ye pe because no mo ani da so bi MPP ni mo say maka tie say mahama ni incompetent mahama ni mu hwe na mudi mu ba so abofu Yesu ma mbaba be ya ma bibia ye boko mu ba ya ababa jinsem eti musuban boni ya mudi ma mamuomti ama Ghana for I lose hope in abato okra eya munu mama abato afro Ghana for eti ka mu nko se ka mu nyina mu ji asore ya mukọ na mukọ Roman ho ne ye bone ka kwese da bia oti ase le ka kwese da du ala fada afrem ro MV for mu ye de makwa kwese ho na mo ye bone ka
ade yakobọ suba MV for go bone
o se ko mu nyina ja asore bia mukọ bia no mu nyina ko Roman ho de kwese da bia ye bone ka oti ase na ka du kwese na fada afrem mo mra ade bone for mu kwese ko ne mu a mama Ghana for lose who say nipa bia they say me who say obia who can say we a politician na ebuku criminal ebuku conform because of subanya mo de aba betena ben yebu wudini yebu etimodini because minister kwati me hwe abubuafo onsa anim minister ye de tax itian kan no etimi hwe abubuafo a okobo ball agira Ghana na mu a oko jesi no obi na man sika koton no kwanchai koton no kwanchai wakwa bab na otwimienu mfra no man tekapre omuko ye no mse ukwa other countries omu chesika no moto spa wakwa ba no obi ate risika minister wo mu yen na muni abadaye muni do ma man na mudi so nti wo say makwa jisika
ewa adom chedua
ewa ajibi o ma de na e mahi na wo ba ko ba o man 2000 ma ne 10 na ye because we him say woman next 1 month for man 10 na ye
omebu akonta o ma
sika no wo mu na ebudi eso ahanta ne dwe na blaster ba wo yam 5 billion I don't know one you so si national team bi sika ya Ghana for sika mama sika no ba so sa de kan ko gina sa ko wi akoche mama sika be na ya musika what the chair kwafan wa van chewo minister in any state it cannot be state money it's a donation to the individual players of the black challenge and one munipa that is why they are able to come on radio and speak to us the way and manner they speak to us na ya onim me mo jide se ba o me on fi nyame
One in Frinyame.
Baumia.
On Frinyame.
Nyame na de ne braye. Nyame na de ne braye. Me da agina tum se nipa o Frinyame de obeda. Me bogidie pass o Frinyame.
Ah, na no so betom da be.
Nyame mfa ade e be haw ne mamma yen. Nipa na ko Zimbabwe akoye consultant am economy. O free ono mo de sika guhwi barum ne kotopa no. O free on the cover kofa na but yen ranimate. Obey. Obey. Aho kire no ahe times 10. Ti do ye o Zimbabwe no osan ba ye o Ghana ha enfie wo twen. Abekwa kufa do ka che on obi anim so third class economy ne the economics in the third class. Na adwen ye wo economics nya ne ba o mia. Na si bi ese age wo nsem no. Onyame mamusu etosu menu medri o mai. Onyame ni trimu nye den.
Jo ahome ma me ba on chai. Abusia fa. Kadija kupo. Ufri ajima. Okay. Dawood Herbal Clinic. Ashaya say what diabetes, pressure, stroke. Awomu nsem ulcer, mreye wompem ana honam tutua for ni call Dawood Herbal Hospital. For ni kire honomo asehwe asanyo so ana ejoso krapa na yenhwe wo. Ye di no 360 capsules any Dawood ointment aba. Na Dawood 360 no ono nom na wudi twitwie no na ahotutuo ene sasabro nom ne ekiribremu yade ne yaw ni nyina na efri ho fra ye was 0241 244 012 and 0244 886437. Yeah, the asphalt toothbrush any Afri-Fresh herbal toothpaste kabum to 3 years. Yeah, no da honomo. And when can be a year senka and one numu dia, which is a woody dia kama, or sria kama. But what now so be asphalt toothbrush and Afri-Fresh herbal toothpaste, Fibo Ventures and the Diabetes, so Paul Segolin, Doso Puno. 0535 452 263 0535 452 263. Islas Enterprise. We are into sales of plants for hotels, industrial use, shops, and small businesses. Say Ope, Pekin, Cummins, Kama, Honda Caterpillars, Lister Peta, Kiloska, and solar energy in inverters. Sesiano, Omaya de Fufrobia, and the Kapa Zuba. You see, I have solar generators. And you hear a diesel and I say, who here? And one say, was so see a bontene. And a born from pa. Now, a boss one generator, no sparky, and then why yenachuma. Then go for topa, na Uslas Enterprise. And Ketuabe Makasium. Now, 24/7, genset na a baba yamano, a free of charge. And yes, I'm out 24/7 service, 24/7 service. And you know, I say, oh, Freya, your baby, we are now finna, you be 100, 200, free of charge. For the charge, the Gano, I won't cry. And I Porsche Hotel, Ugo Drew, American House, bridge, no, I seen 69. Now, I'm a modern swako. I shall Boakye. Hotel honomo. Very good. I shall Boakye. Thank you. Thank you.
Debe Madrid na team no.
A Champion Junction, Bawaleshi, a hoso. and a new town junction as a
junction the end of the umfi.
I will feel and a social welfare Medina.
If you know a woman on the Medina, I want to do what and the Omiami film.
And the Ray Junction at Denton so Yawo, a Islas Enterprise friend 0248 169 258 0248 169 258. Hotels, industrial users, shops, small businesses. Monkamo way 0203 005 498 0203 005 498. Dimpa Natural Health. We have flu.
Because I don't for you to generator.
Okay.
Utim say the enye didi ni bia wo hwa. And so long so there. The way I want to say about no.
Yes, oh, baby, how do you go here? The Natural Health. Mami found cost second floor, last Towers, the champ so. Now, mention health insurance, dining one, a honorable canin, maybe I know one 0245 1184 34 0245 1184 34 0246 744 744. Set we have from to 2 or the dia and yami wakuma oboa no twetwen sa osa sentence ni nyina dimpa be boa 21st clinic otoase atwetwen wa che ojo ho anye unhuru amane pains pa wo wish na ne nam otoase akosi unase no vein na wo ho nerve no e ho atochema bra na yemfa bibidro kan encount 21st clinic the number no 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. Yeah, no news at natural mineral water. Obini Blackman Company Limited na dia bedwa so. Odo ani kire Bremen Westbrook to Johnson Chronom kwan so a ubenya bi Atomic near Showman Matt Roberts ubenya bi from clean water tanks a ye dia fa poasia me say poasia ye tu asase ase ne yi nsuo no ye dia fa mfidie mu a zet ye nsuo a ense fridge ma wutumi nom ne kama ensuo bi on ense fridge ma na imu ayenyan esi on mo 1 month 3 months 6 months obebie zeta no is fresh
ya ensuo papa no MPP ni ba no kwede ye no kwe ba ko ensuo ye no Ghana ha nyina we standardization we standard no
e was so
si ensuo bi e
also MPP
MPP ni ba
we know like I was MPP
but unim
osi omo be hu omo so omo mo say no permanent di go so be hu so omo mo awo ejo omo bo awo oh yes
udi wan dance a
that there papa
oh that ensuo we there when it comes to standard say unum so amo apomodin pa dia we next time so be e
Fred 0244 620294 0244 620294 and Maxwell Astrisa Agwawi Suba Bekunu is here Otiasika Rural Bank your saving rural banking fixed deposit or G4 Susu savings account salary loan, salary advance, Otiasika fast track loans, a year 1 hour, a queer, open bosia, a year before open bosia, Fakoda Otiasika, Kofiasi, a headquarters, Fred 0504 842 957 0504 842 957 Nayan Koya, Nim time heba. A 3D na do krowa bomodena unya binuma ebe ku malaria parasites ni nyina wo mo na aboa ama general bodily pains na free ho malaria parasites be show mu ma etimi count ho obu ne malaria no hyepa any loss of appetite nyina ye the HH heba time HH heba mission capsule swaba eboa pa ema won komo ho ye den 0244 417669 0244 417669 Abe heba na me come for my way sickle cell test and scan no ye ni nyina afei hania epilepsy eye etwere koko menstrual disorders akote enemu yade any fibroid ni ade nyina no maami abewa apatrapata no so apatrapa new side apatrapa Johnson your number is 0243 345 392 0243 345 392 9492. BBC, yeah, we chicken, Papa Boris B chicken. Oh, yeah, wedding an engagement and a party be a year. Oversee a big grilled chicken pa news you there for BBC. I was 05 444 444 53 05 444 444 53. Poku trading, Obenya BBC chicken. SG Mall, Obenya BBC chicken, Topai, Shell Body Junction, Bantuma High Street, Presbyterian Shanimu, Asawasa Market, Santasi Runabout, Opetai, Winks, Breast, Gizzard, Layers, and now Broiler, Obenya B, 05 444 444 53. Na Yakoya Nima NSA. Say, Open ensure Kanjin and Magic drinking water, alkaline water, 8.5 pH. Rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and constipation. Esa bow, Emma will hydrate you well, and no dehydration. A antioxidant, onume ma ujun sosa, et your kidney no near menyaho, and ya drew a yensio, Kanjin and Magic drinking water. Oberwewa Abawa Route Junction, Bremen UGC, Tafuni Road, for 0241 44 9191. 0241 44 9191. And I'll pay Mammy for birthday, Nimra, Femimra, Abija for no wrapping up and Pejaimu. Now, good year come for no metrasi. Happy blessed birthday to my mom, Dickness Agatha, a free fire of Ade Akye Church of Pentecost, from your daughter, Vero, my beautiful wife, Shelley Fosia, a nurse of Tafo Government Hospital, Ukunu Director, Job of Job 1 Lotteries, Macro, 92nd birthday. Wow. To my mother, Oba Penny Hannah Donko. Hey, senior citizen. My goodness. From your son, PV Jantua. PV Jantua brought in the NDC communication team. No, Odimwako Tripa. Former presidential staffer, PV Jantua. Ne mami enyemfie ediokunu mienu. Wow. Wow. PV so here no so be nyina che. Pacho ya no obusa no mejeje ma no pe. Special birthday to Mrs. Ajua Ivy from Honorable Richard Kofi Echena, Assembly Member for Esiowin Electoral Area. Akosia Adepa of Zion Petroleum, Goso, Safo Kantanka Sompa FM. Mrs. Christina Safo of Achimodan, Pokia of Sompa. Esnam of a Joso Kwamo, Keche Obi so Mautin Kwa, Philippa of Aguna, Keche Obi Mautin Kwa, Oyima Boajiwa de Pabuaji from your dad, Abuaji Frank Jackson. Hey, me better than one first. Jako, oh, Scott of you. Akura no a baby. Wow. Jennifer. Esther Uswa opinion hini from Kakape. Hey, I don't want to Kakape there. In Slapia of Korongo Mines Basic School. Today is your birthday from Asumadu Dakwa Soa of Kesmi Media. Okay, Unima dear. The time no share ya ubia 3 minutes. Wrap up. Mamintiu. 3 minutes. Okay. And now we say from 8 Zuba from 8:23 no abasha what Zuba ba correct that's 3 minutes me too 10 minutes they say 22 no page what
you say because me raising sema 3 minutes it mean person person ko mu
me dey hold dey
but when me amfa I dey person person ni echi ya eni mpuatwa. Say Dr. Mahmoud Baomi, I will be PhD near our bompa, Dr. Mahmoud Baomi. They say, dear, be no person will cover Dr. Mahmoud Baomi. Most of you true for, but I say we've all realized that John Dramani Mahama, true for, I say Dr. Mahmoud Baomi. I didn't try. And you might be brave on my cassia between NPP and NDC, but every 3 minutes near yes, in fact, you can see a bayer dams and a dugouts. NDC to me 66 per in their 8 years. NPP. We find say 8 years no more and we are nesano. Etimi over 500. Between NPP and this year ready. Oh yes. Omanhene free SHS. You can manifest to Muse Bebaso and Ameboa. Abasonso. NDC can say enye ye. A chamba catch say progressively free. So between NPP and NDC, Dr. Mahmoud Baomi and John Dramani Mahama, one year no kwafo. Omanhene NDC under them let me finish with omomo de enkurampu ebe ka kire ye say omobe ma akuafo bosia in their manifesto omobe create TBB a friend Agric Development Fund okay now Agric Development Fund no amaso ye hu in their 8 years that it between NPP and NDC hwan mo na eye atrofo NDC in their manifesto e ka kire ye say omobe ma artisans in fact omogo ye specific and mention artisans no can say mason for carpenter for electricians drivers hairdressers dressmakers plumbers he nyina magazine for nyina no so mbe mo equipment so mde be adwuma no masa mo capital am de aye adwuma NDC in their 8 years yan hu ni ba bia Omanhene what you say so between you no mo hwan na ye trofo so for you to come and say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, you ask a question. And is it not true? Because it's in your budget. Sir, and your man AC Amanone, who here NPP Akomono, more man Komubi. And then your man who Fatona Nam de Mao say, and your man ye important Ghana Hanum will be a honey damn in the environment. And your man do anani a cleflaman on the neighbor. Adiana Casabua a deo. It's a man who trabaho. It would they buy a hotel or import yaba. Until I can't say, no, I can't out to say, you go so a year to Tonyoma, and nothing a young yaw manager Jemu, free SHS or Honum, a year 1 village, 1 down a day work we are for. A year banking a sector now no can once no so yeah another a year and also the comfort can say you did adwuma or banking
we'll serve it for another day never try time so
okay say me na can respond
and say me ma time to obia at the same time me for 1 minute about
3 minutes
oh my 3 minutes
me di appointment me nya me ni MC nkwa na me ye di kana me regional project manager for less than your man for tools ma ko to say oh what you can say about tools yeah ma please
sir
I got 3 minutes bro
na got me man can say we one in the pons I do me microphone kasa
project manager for less
than I remember
your man for tools ma ko to say obeji bi kotafo wawu abito nwi
yes
Daco Farms me yeah the best for 7,000
rural and urban and
Kumau Farmers
that is the name they gave it
please
Monica say
Kumau Farmers loan over 300 farmers
that's a lie
capital me na me
Mose Ghana ni bia
please
manka Kumau
please na Kumau mo fi bofwana
Mose Ghana ni babia amobamani manka se
me pacho bebre me wo nkofo a dey be post o be fill forms I respect them but make me the forms ni be abacho become me papa daka make me the forms ni abacho
ma me 30 seconds na me fan and refer to one manifesto what they actually said what they really said
yeah the tools no for less the man
oh that's a lie
yeah less them yeah what
that's a big lie
that's how me mention less them say
me say one
because I knew you were the coordinator
project manager
me say is here Oma mention money
because I remember they gave hairdressers, dryers, and other things.
Yeah, ma bibia tools e adwuma
rural and urban enterprise and
ma fine ma kumase for na me no kwa afidwa ase ye form free bank no mo fe na mpacho o ye national capital nyerua me fa de na me de ko me fa me fa de na me de ko man kan so na me de ko mo a mpacho ma national capital yaw unim bibi wo mo 500 grams yo mo kai palugu kawo palugu no omo running mate no say omo aye wie
is here
omo running mate no say
is in your 2016 budget
maxwell omo running mate no ese omo aye wie okoduru ba bia afi wo so obeye
Omanhene this is what they have to say about
dams mo kasema aye maame na mde kwato ane na say o ma miseska me da ye ni meaningful dam na che say maame na kwai na bi say my bogus dam do something to something. The bottom line is that nipa na odi omanimo no onyame aka na sima mo waye ne hu fia tika che Ghana for ba o me
waye ne hu fia
waye ne hu fia che say o kasa say the opposition obi an so oni plan Muhammad program ba kutoa no oteso sa Muhammad me catch you say mining sector Muhammad me at the tour to me the one program for mineral investment and marketing or the two of one na ba me ateso sa
Thank you, gentlemen. This is where we draw the curtain. God willing, tomorrow we'll meet. Yeah.
Let's get ready to.
My name is Kwesi Nyantich. In this region, sports is all about
Sompa Sport.